beautiful start to June with sunny skies this morning. Looking out there, we've got temperatures already into the mid-60s. 62 degrees Lima. We have 66 in Findlay, 64 in Van Wert. Sunny skies all around, no cloud cover whatsoever to get our day started. So let's check out your weather headlines. And really sounding like a broken record now, we've had just hot, sunny, dry weather all week, and that continues to be the theme with these hot temperatures through Saturday. We'll get a bit of a drop in temperatures on Sunday, so not as hot. And next week, very pleasant air on the way. Really some beautiful weather conditions, which is great for outdoor plans. The problem is if you're trying to grow a garden or trying to grow some grass, it's not the greatest weather as we continue to wait for rain. Tomorrow will mark 2 weeks since our last rain in the forecast. And right now, if the forecast models hold with their outputs, it looks like we're going to make it at least 3 weeks with no rain, and maybe even a little bit more than that. So just remarkable. This will probably go down in the books as the driest late May to early June that we have ever seen around here. So temperatures today, very warm. We're going to see temperatures heat up rapidly with all the sunshine and dry air. Looking at a high of 90 for Lima this afternoon, 92 for Delphos and Ottawa. As we look at our forecast tonight, you notice how we get a decent drop in temperatures overnight because of that dry air. So it's that low humidity that really makes this heat wave a lot more bearable. You know, a lot of times in the summer we'll have temperatures at 90, but the nighttime lows can be mid-upper 70s when we have so much moisture around, but we don't have that moisture in the air, so it does give us that relief at night. For those without air conditioning, it is at least more bearable. Tomorrow's forecast, though, we go right back to those temperatures right at 90 degrees for Friday afternoon. Again, looking at the humidity, it's extremely low. It's very rare ever around here that we're going to see a humidity below 30%, but we've got humidity values by later this afternoon in the teens and the 20% range. So, I mean, it's really not even noticeable. It's just a very desert-like air mass out there. As we look at our forecast humidity tomorrow, still very low with humidity values around 30%. Moving forward in this forecast, I mentioned the lack of rain. Again, the forecast model's in pretty good agreement that we're not going to see much at all. This forecast model shows about 1/100th of an inch between now and next Wednesday night. And again, a lot of areas staying dry as it appears right now. Sunny skies expected for us today. As we go into tomorrow, more of the same. We get into Saturday, we'll see this little backdoor front. It starts to come down from Ontario and Quebec. It pushes south and west into the area by Sunday, and it will allow for a bit of a drop in temperatures. So if the 90-degree temperatures are a bit much for you, you'll like the forecast for Sunday when we go back to about 81, 84 on Monday, and then another cold front will sweep through Monday night. Might give us a stray shower, but that is really optimistic at this point. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, really pleasant weather, temperatures near average and highs in the upper 70s. And it looks like sunshine, dry weather still the theme for much of next week.